Good afternoon, everyone. I am Janice Binagatan, and today we were talking about the issue of Captain's Peak. The Department of Environmental and Natural Resources, or DENR, issue a temporary closure order, or TCO, against the resort due to environmental violation. The local government of Sagbayan revoked the resort business permit after learning of that TOC.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we're talking about the problems of the Captain's Peak, Sagbayan, Bohol. The Captain's Peak Resort in Sagbayan, Bohol is embroiled in controversy due to environment violations and introductions of the Chocolate Hills. These distractions, the resort accused of constructing and building and facilities within a protected area without proper permits and environment compliance certificate in ECC. Local officials, including the former mayor of Sagbayan, were charged by the Office of Ombudsman for their roles in issuing permits and the clearance to the resort. The officials all aligned to have failed in their duties and favored the resort owner. The controversy sparked public outcry, with calls and immediate action to protect the Chocolate Hills and other natural resources in Bohol. Environmentalists and citizen groups expressed opposition to the construction of buildings and facilities within the protected area.
DNR expressed support for the protecting the Chocolate Hills and other natural resources in Bohol. The agency continued to investigate environmental violation and file cases against those responsible. The Captain's Peak Resort issue highlight the importance of protecting natural resources and the need of the government agency to work together to preserve the country's natural heritage.
And that's all the issue that we're talking about today. Thank you.